Hi, this is Quick Tips from Natives. I'm Anthony, a Canadian native speaker working in Poland, and today I'd like to talk to you about common mistakes associated with the word learn. To start, we need to look at the word student. In most European languages, a student is used to refer to someone who attends university, and therefore to study is also along the same lines of attending university. Whereas in American English, we have the word student that can refer to someone in primary school, middle school, or high school, or even university. Doesn't matter at all. And the word or the verb to study is used to talk about the idea that anyone who is taking old information that they've previously learned and they're going over it again for a test or to better understand it, maybe even to teach it themselves. That's what it means to study. If you found that concept unclear or too difficult to understand, I should just try to remember this. Teachers teach, they give you new information. Students learn, they take new information. And to study is you take that old information now and you work on making it better understood for yourself, maybe so that you can teach another person it, or you can just plain write the test. Another easily confused word here is advice or advices. I can get either one depending on the situation. You got to remember, there's no plural form. It's only advice. So teachers give advice. Students seek advice, but never advices. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you later.